Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and we're in the tomato house. I want to talk about the benefits of hook and wicket. And I think to precede that, I should talk about 15 years ago, I was using the roller hook system, which is, you may know it, but it's just it's a system that hooks up onto that bar, has a spool on it. You get up on the ladder, you squeeze it, and hopefully you can control it to get it to lower and lock it in again, get down the ladder, move your tomatoes over, right? Lean them, right? And get them hooked on. It is slow, it's inefficient, you're up in the heat. It would take us days to do a house like this with a couple of people. I know farmers that bring their whole team of 12 people into a house like this, and it takes them all day with 12 people to do a roller hook system. I tested this system many years ago and immediately said, forget it, I'm throwing out that other system, because this you can work on the ground. My feet are always on the ground. There's only 2 clips, right? So I just take the bottom clip off, right? Because my working height is always at standing height, right? So you see, I can move it over without getting on a ladder. See, and I'm just sliding it down to the end of the hook, and the end of the hook is the bottom of my working height, and then the top of my working height is here. This is my working height right here. It's comfortable height, and that's why, you know, on my site I have a chart to show you what the best length of hook is for your house, because you want that right working height. And get it up on here, right? I'm just leapfrogging the clips. Right, and that's it. And then this is the wicket part, right? That's the hook, and then this is the wicket. And what that does is, right, you're lowering and leaning, right? So that means the whole weight of the plant is pulling the infrastructure this way. And you're trying to keep all the plants off, and you're putting all this stress on your house, on the plants and everything else. It's just terrible. This, I'm putting the weight on the wickets. So the tomato comes up, goes up on the wicket, and then just goes straight up. So the only weight on the house is here from this part of the plant, and it's straight up and down. It's not at an angle. And all the tomatoes are kept off the ground, right? They're just hanging up on the wickets. And now you can harvest without them being on the ground. And there's also wicket risers if you want to bring it higher. So the benefit is that it's just so much faster. It's so much more comfortable. It's a joy to be in here, right? That ladder was death. I was up in the hottest area of the house, just sweating myself to death. And this is just so enjoyable. Anyway, thanks for watching, and leave any comments you want if you have any questions. Until next time.